Hello, I'm Justin from Unicorn Stairlifts. This video is just to demonstrate how much space a stairlift would take on the staircase after installation. We get asked this question quite often, so we thought we'd put a video together for you. As you can see at the bottom, folded outwards, it takes a little bit of room up, but not too much. However, the main benefit of it being able to fold away is that it creates a lot more space. The depth on the stairlift there is around about 12 inches. So, you know, this is quite a narrow stair. It's around about 30 inches from the skirting board to the newel post. So you've kind of got the majority of the stairs to walk past the stairlift when required. Track there is around about 8 inches from the stringer. So again, you know, it's quite a slim profile. At the top, you're going to have not too much room to get past once it's folded out. However, if others are wanting to use the staircase, the footplate, the seat and the arms can all be folded up to create a nice, neat, slimline profile. This allows enough room to walk past the stairlift nice and easily. Thank you.